Hey friends, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to show you some cactus DIY string art. And this is going to be really fun because it's super easy and it matches the 2018 aesthetics, like, you know, the cactus aesthetics that you see everywhere. So let's go make this, but first we gotta go get the supplies. So now I have gotten everything that I need for this DIY. So what you're gonna need is, I didn't need to buy because I already have, is scissors and a hammer. So you can get all the stuff at Hobby Lobby, which is where I went, but you could go to any other craft store. So you're gonna need some string or embroidery floss. And you're gonna need some teeny tiny nails, and you're gonna need this wood thing. I don't know, just like a block of wood. So now that you have your supplies, it's time to make the cactus string art. So first you're gonna use the brown string because the brown will be the pot of the plant, basically. Then you're gonna take your nails. And if you wanted to, you could draw out like a template or something, but I'm too lazy to do that, and this will be just fine. First, you're just basically gonna take your hammer and start nailing them in where you want your pot to be. We're gonna see if this actually works. Boom, you got one nail in. So then you're basically just gonna nail around the outline of what you want your pot for the plant to be. So I just nailed that one in sideways. Maybe try not to do that and nail them in straight. And I broke this, so let's put this back together. So basically what just happened is this piece fell off of here, which is just fabulous. So we're gonna regroup and we're gonna make the stand look like this. So I legitimately just finally finished putting, what, 20 nails in? It maybe took an hour and a half. I literally don't have any patience, so this definitely took a lot longer than I thought, because I thought it would take like 15 minutes at the most. But it took a while. So now all I gotta do for the pot part is put the embroidery floss on this part. So hopefully this should be easier than nailing these in. And you can just kind of start moving the string around however so you may want it. So then once you've decided you're done with the stringing part, cut the floss off like that. Then you'll just tie it to the nail. Then you'll just cut off the extra. Boom, you are done with the pot. And now it's time for the cactus. Then once again, you're just gonna nail around the design that you want. And I'm not gonna film this because it'll literally take 3 hours. And I'm pretty sure you don't wanna watch 3 hours of me frustratingly nailing nails into this board thing. So I will show you guys once I have completed nailing all of the cactuses to this board.
2 hours later.
So now I have finished the lovely cactuses. I've done 3 little cactuses, so what I'm going to do is use the darker one and outline the cactuses, and then I'm going to use the lighter one to fill them in. So let's go do that! So now I finished outlining it, and I'm just gonna once again cut the string off and tie it onto the nail. Now the outline is done, and then I'm gonna take the lighter color and fill it in. Boom. 7 hours later, you are done. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is what the final product looks like. You know, it could look worse, but honestly this DIY was definitely fun, a little bit frustrating to do, but I mean if you have a lot of free time and you want to make something that looks pretty cool, then I suggest that you make this. But if you only have 15 minutes, then maybe not, because it takes more like 3 hours, and I thought it was going to take 15 minutes, but it didn't. So go leave a comment, let me know if you have any suggestions for more videos, and I hope you guys have a great day.